out here at the camping spot in like Tennessee, Virginia borderline, whatever. It's beautiful. It used to be like a cow pastures and stuff, but they turned it into a like campgrounds so family can come and just all everybody get together for like reunions or whatnot. But it's absolutely gorgeous. I mean, absolutely gorgeous. I bet you the fishing ain't too bad out here either. I mean, I don't know, but yeah, it's pretty awesome. Part of the camping spot. Really nice, calm out here in the mountains. Down in a little valley. They're setting up a little canopy over here right now. It's real nice. Even got like a little outhouse over there with electricity and water and everything. Look at that view.